Welcome to the stream. So before we go, I should go in this mode. So, I'm having a bot issue this morning. So chatbot is not working properly. And I don't know why. So what I will do is I will try to, not in the good folder, yeah. Okay, and now if I try to do, okay, so it works there, but not there. Okay, Control C, yes. So let's do a little bit of maintenance here. So I will stop it, Docker stop, and what? Oh, okay, no. It's Docker stop, and then we'll stop the container. Let's make it bigger. I want to make sure everybody can see what I'm typing. So let's see Docker images. Ooh, we have a bunch of them. So I want to, okay, here I want to delete that one. Oh. So if I here Docker build, I'm not in the good folder. Yeah, I need to be one layer higher. Just like that. Okay, cool. So now I could build this. Let's do a version. Oh, damn it. Yeah, I know the bot is broken right now, but hello. Bonjour, hi. Okay, so now we have our image. So if let's do a clear. So now if I check my image, I have this version running. So if I look in my previous command, I'm not, that's why. Damn it, Frank, I need to be in the good folder. That's why I was not working. Duh. So I need to do here .2. There it is. So now let's refresh. You want to try it, Mr. Pascal? See if it's working. I also forgot to turn off my hopefully it's not lagging too much. Forgot to turn off my VPN. So let's see if CB is present. CB is present. Excellent. No lag. Cool. Let me know because my VP. Well, to fix it, I will need to disconnect and reconnect. So if I can avoid that, then that's better. Or maybe should I start again? No. And now we have the clouds. This is awesome. I love that. Cool. And I should zoom a little bit off this. Excellent. Move this out of the way. Oh no. Why it's not working? Let's try it again. Ah. Cannot read the property play. Damn it. So we need to fix the chatbot. So on line 653. Here, a link 653, and I was just on it. Yeah, so that's strange. Cannot read the property play. Okay, so if my problem is with the because when I play the rain stuff, I need to have because now I have this also that I had. Oh, I need to type enter. Oh, damn it. My chat is disconnecting. This is really annoying. So see now, it stopped, like it turned black, and it's supposed to play music. But the problem was I was using the same, this one is in loop, so I need more properties, and I changed some settings, and I need now to kind of name my audio player, and I did that like 30 seconds before going live because it was broken. So maybe I forgot something. So play sound Bonjour hi. So if we go in play sound, here, right, with two parameters, I'm going here, I pass the name, I pass the file name to this one, so, and I'm pass false. Now in play sound, I'm just going here, going like, hey, get me cloud audio. I pass the name, the file name, and if it's in loop. So if we go in this function, I need to pass at least the name here. That was my problem. Why this part? Oh, Frank. Let's rebuild it. Okay, so let's bring. Let's rebuild it. Let's bring back this. Let's rebuild it, but we'll call that 4.2 is good enough. Rebuild here. I will stop Docker. Stop and set 7.1F, mixing French and English here. It's always good. cool. So now if I just do a Docker images, we can see that alpha was done 22 seconds ago. That's perfect. So we'll just rebuild it like that. And in OBS, I will refresh the view. So now if we do,
Bonjour. Hi.
it's working. Sorry. Oh, does it only work once?
Bonjour. Hi.
Oh no, okay. And now we have the clouds. It's working, and now if I do rain, this is so cool. Now we have some rain. And everything is working at the same time. This is amazing! Way too excited for what it is. But, yeah, I like it. Oh. No. Close, but no. Okay, let's bring back the sun. Awesome. Okay, so we fixed that. That's pretty cool. I should close this. Let's start the stream. So let's do start. And today we'll be working on the, let's say, the tiny Azure. We just hear the sound from your, oh. Really? So the, like the bonjour and the hi, you don't hear anything? Do you hear the music? It's very low though. Okay, try it again. I will mute my my mic. Oh, try it again. I will mute my mic. Did you hear anything? It's very low. Okay. How can we make that louder? I wonder, because let me bring my spec and go full screen. Yeah, I cannot zoom and have it active, but here it's my voice, the default mic, so see, like I'm bursting out right now, and here it's at maximum.
Bonjour. Hi.
Okay, I will send a yay. It should be louder, but I'm not sure how loud. So just, if you're wearing headset, maybe just, okay, in 1, 2, 3. I'm disconnected. Damn it. It's not really louder. I was afraid. Same, huh? Oh, so I need to be louder on my side so you can hear it. Oh yeah, I could do that. Yeah, the problem with that is now here the music is very loud too. Oh, maybe like that. Can you still hear the music like that? Well, now it's not playing. Wait a second. Okay, so now there's some music coming up. It's loud. Yay! Okay, so now the music is kind of comfortable for me. I need to have a better management of that. How's the music on your side? That yay is loud. I bet I will jump a few times. Okay, not clear. Okay, I will need to figure how to make it better. But I think one thing I want to do is have something virtual. So if I'm wearing a headset, I could hear the full mix, including my voice and everything. So that will simplify things. But I need to, I think, to have some virtual stuff. I don't know. Or maybe is it? I don't know. The voice meter banana is the best solution out there. Okay. I will add that to the notes. And I will also add that to my OneNote just in case CB is not tracking everything today. There it is. Oh, I should do this. Not banana, potato. What are you talking about? Not banana, potato. There it is. Well, I will have a look after that. But for today, we're good. We'll have some clouds. That could be bigger. Boom, boom, boom. And I was looking to my URL shortener, and yeah, people are having issue with the Azure portal. Dude, add an or update the app service deployment workflow conversion. Azure portal. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's a pull request? Oh, have a look. Let's have a look. Dude, you're trying to build from my stuff? Nope. Nope. Hey, thank you for following, Michael Johnson. I will add you to the note. I'm just not sure if CB is following us, so welcome. Very happy to have you aboard. Yeah, that's really awesome. Thank you for the following. Here we're having fun with the cloud solutions, mostly Azure because I'm a Microsoft employee, and honestly, these days I don't have time to play with other clouds. I used to do, but now they keep me busy. But here, it's my free hours where I have fun, and the plan of today is to improve the experience of the deployment solution we build, a URL shortener. There's a few people trying it, deploying it because it's fun, it's very easy, but I'm trying to use very budget friendly, I don't want to say cheaper, but budget friendly resources, and it makes things a little bit more complicated to deploy. So today I want to focus and try to ease as much as we can, or at least plan what we can do to make it better. So just want to add you to the notes. We have CB here that tracks a bunch of stuff, but sometime like when you rebuild everything, do this, adding that to the notes. Voila, because we have CB here monitoring everything. Oh, that's interesting. Did you see what happened to the cloud? Like it just went. I need to fix that. I think I know why. Okay, so here, sir. No, like that won't happen. This is loud. Oh, it's doing a V1. Okay, so let's tag it then, and I will review it later. So we'll assign it. No, I don't want to assign it, but let's label it V1. Cool. And yep. Woo! Okay, so update the app settings. I'm assuming he's doing it. Yeah, dude, no. Yeah, no, that. So he's trying to do stuff on my side. So no, that thing won't work. And you know what? The other one, I'm pretty sure is the same thing. So we'll just close it. Okay. So you land on this. Oh, I'm not sorry about that. I'm not sharing my screen. You should have told me. So let's move that a little bit on the side. Just like this. So you land on this page. Now you read, blah, blah, blah. That's cool. Ah, it's awesome. I want to deploy it. Suggest to deploy with the TinyBlazer admin since it was, however, it's also possible to deploy it less. Step-by-step deployment. We click on that. Until a full automatic deployment is created here, all the step to deploy the TinyBlazer admin. Okay. Yeah, this is not strong enough. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we need to yeah, let's close this. I should push my code. Let's do that right now before I forget. Fix sound issues. Boom. Let's keep it here for now. Okay, so file, we'll close this folder, and now Control R will open Azure URL Shortener. Cool. I think we'll need also to open the TinyBlazer admin website though, because the deployment step-by-step is in that one. Yeah. I will remove that. I think it's just confusing. I think I will remove this. Like, we're working on something, but yeah. But this is definitely not big enough. Here we could put it like that. And here we need to make it I want to make it that super huge. Something like this maybe. Even that, it's not really big, right? Whoops. Go on the side. No, go just on the side. That's better, right? First thing first, fork this repo into your own account. And I should say here, you will need to update the configuration. This document will explain when to do it and what to do. I think it will be here. I think that makes sense now. Okay. So, oh, damn it. I don't know if I'm up to date in my branch. Uh-oh.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Fragbird, how are you? I'm happy I saw the things before because otherwise I would have jumped. I need to bring back main to dock, but now I have this thing, so okay. Let's stash my change. Now let's bring main up to date. Now let's bring main into dock. Now let's pop our change. I'm a master now of I'm not a master, but I feel like it because of Gets Cracking. I really don't know how I would that quickly done that with the interface. With the CLI, I mean the command. Okay, so now we have that. So let's continue. Oh yeah, I want to show you stuff that I discover, and I think it's super cool. So sometime, you know how like when you go on a project, sometime like there's a lot of folder and subfolder, and like it's hard to see like the page, the code, and now you look and so oh, I want to see this, and now, and it's like clicking and you need to wait and stuff like that. There's Octotree. You could expand that and it gives you a tree view. So you could just see all the pages at the same time, click on it, it will open and everything. So that's pretty cool. And sometime maybe the IntelliSense is not there properly or something like that. So one thing you could do is if you go here and here instead of GitHub, you put GitHub 1S. Okay? So you do in any repo that will work. So 1S and boom. It will open the repo inside Visual Studio Code. So now it's on github1s.com. It's not a GitHub native page, but you have now you have Visual Studio Code, and that's an open source project. So GitHub 1S is an open source project. It's called a Git pod. So like you have an environment over there. It's pretty cool. Like you have full environment available for you, just like that. Really like that. Did you know that trick? Okay, so we were though in the documentation. No, yes, leave. I want to go back to my documentation page. Come on. There it is. Okay. So now, deployment, the URL Shortener, the backend. This project has a front end only. Maybe I should add a note here saying like, are you sure you are currently in your own repo? Yeah, maybe I will do a note here and like, from now on, you should be on your own repo or something like that. You know what? I think I will do a screenshot. I would need your help. How can we share? I would need help to someone who forked the repository. Although this, yeah, this is okay. It's more here. Okay. I would like if someone can do a screenshot of the, let's say this page. Oh no, you know what, like this page. This page, if you could do a screenshot of that as its fork. So like it should be your username, and I will use that as an example. I will do a screenshot of me the same here, and I'll probably go back in white mode, or like whatever, like I will match your stuff, but I want to say, oh, like, no, not if it's F Boucher, you must have like your own stuff. So if anybody can do a screenshot, that would be helpful of their fork environment, and then like, I don't know how, like, we could share links, not links but images. But that would be cool. Let's go in settings. I don't think, no, it's not in settings. I think it was, is it in settings? Or is it in settings? I forgot where it is. It's not there. Yeah, I think it's, or maybe in my profile. Yeah, boom. There it is. Okay, so now let's, I like it, but I would like not to have you here. Oh, I will just do this section. Right, something like this. Right, I would like you to do the same thing if you can on a fork. If anybody can do that, it will be super appreciated. And then we'll clean that up a little bit. So let's do a selection here. Just a little selection. I will remove this part here. There it is. What? Oh, damn it. Okay, so now we need to put like a circle with an X. Do I have a stamp? I think I will remove also completely that section in the bottom. Less information, like they don't think about the branch or anything. So something like that. And I could also make it a little bit more concise, maybe like this. Could remove the issues. Let's do that. There it is. It's cool, right? Okay, so let's save it. Nobody created the image yet. It's fine. Okay, let's hack it. There it is. Okay, so I want the full of this to the right of that. How come it's not the same? Okay, let's do this. We'll bring that here. And apparently I will need to zoom it or something, expand it. How can I make it bigger? Damn it. Damn. What did I change? I don't know. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, no. Oh yeah, but it's still Bob Builder. Damn it, Frank. Okay, voila. So if I copy this and bring it to the left of that thing, is it the same height now? Yeah, cool. So now let's bring the stamp nut. Why it's cropping? Okay. Let's save that file for now. Save. Okay, cool. So now I want to do this and I will expand it a little bit. Why are you cropping? Why are you cropping? Okay, let's close that. Discard. Okay, so I have it here. Let's open it. Open it with snag it. Voila. Let's try again. Okay, now it's working. So I want to make sure it's visible. Maybe I should put it bigger. If I put it bigger, then like you don't like right now you see it. Maybe this is not a good sign. Maybe X is better. If I put this. Something like that. And I could do something like highlight, let's make it green. Damn, I'm like, I think I'm overthinking it, but okay, stamp, I want to move. Oh no, why can I not move that one? Oh, because it's stuck in the image. Call out. I want something. Okay, so now let's try to make it bigger. Oops, not that big apparently. Maybe bold. Does that make sense? Can I go to 20? 18? 22 now? Come on, I want as big as... I think that's good. Cool. So let's save this. Control-Shift-S, and I will say not Frank repo. Yes, please replace. So there it is. So now in here I will add some images. Yeah. Cool. So let's, assuming all images are in the bottom of the screen, that's how I usually do it. So let's fix that. So I want this to be this. Cool. Now I want to use this information here. There it is. Da-da-da. And now maybe I could do something like that. That look cool. That look pretty. What do you think? Right? You see that? Like, hey, make sure it's like, it shouldn't be F. Boucheros. It should be not F. Boucheros, but F. Boucher. It should be like whatever. Bob the Builder. Okay. And now, should go back to black mode, please. Why it's not there? I thought it was there. Okay, I just need to expand it. Okay. Boom. Cool. So, okay, we do that. And now we say, hey, this project has a front end, blah, 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 blah. Click. To do it, click the blue button below. Make sure you fill the front end. Should I explain a bit more? Here are settings. What are you working on? Sell the duck. Okay. So now deployment, the tiny in the front end. Maybe I should do like, first thing first, I was 1. So maybe here I could put 2. One. I think the 1, like it's 1 should be first thing first, then 2. I don't know. Maybe I need to add the, I need to do this. And here it should be 1, 1. First thing first, fork the repo. Yeah, no kidding, huh? I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Well, because you were not there, Fragbird, see, I did the Bob Builder account here instead. It could have been you. You could have been part of the fantastic documentation, but no, you prefer taking care of your kids. I can see your priority now, and I agree with those. So continue. Okay. So now you do that, then deploy the backend. I think it's a lower B. And I think, yeah, I think this, I will move it here. So it's really part of that first thing first. Then 2, deploying the backend. Then 3, deploy the front end. Yeah, I know. I've been. Yeah, no kidding. Okay. So let's go back to the GitHub. GitHub. Oh, deploy the front end. Oh yeah, front end. I need lowercase here. Not sure if it's a thing in English, the uppercase for front end, but I don't like it. So if it's not a typo, then I will remove it. There's many cloud open source, and open a resource group where you create the blah 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 inner case stream demo inner case. Click the plus and search for a static web app. Oh yeah, stream demo. I think it was the stream demo I used, right? Yes. Cool. Use your repo. Kind of clear. I cannot say bulb builder here, like I cannot change the text like I could have. At some point, you need to authorize, okay. Should I see here your account? Maybe I should. So it's clear. Let's try. Let's update that image here. So yeah. So it's probably this. So SWAT create 3. Let's open that. Reveal in File Explorer. Yes. So open it. Sorry. Open it with Snagit because I really like that tool. And now again, we'll do the callout. We'll take this and we'll change it for 007 FFF. Well, okay. So it's Blazor. That, yeah, I saw that path was not valid. SRC Tiny Blazor. It should be valid, right? How can I validate that? Yeah, let's go check the workflow. Yeah. That's what I put. Let's open another repo. Let's go see repository 07F. I know I just deployed that one, so let's have a look here. Yeah. I didn't put the ending // I think it doesn't make any difference. Okay, so we have that. That thing, can I remove that thing? This is annoying. There it is. Okay. So now here I need the 4, not $4. I wish I could do like a script. Maybe we could try to work on a script. What do you think? That would be the best, right? At the end of the deployment, you run a script and just like it works. But then you will need to fill up a bunch of you know Bash script. I don't know. The thing is to deploy. Oh, that's interesting. Why CB didn't say yay? Because it didn't catch. Oh, I need to check something. Parachute game. Let's save this file here, open a new one, put this here. No, I opened 2 files now. Let's rolling up. Oh yeah, I'm missing the, let's change that. I'm missing some configuration. That's why it's not yelling, celebrating. Yeah, like now the do a screenshot of that, Fragbird. I want the score in the chat. That's what it's missing. So now if someone land, they will show up. like CB should catch it. Okay, so let's close this window. I don't need this one. No, I don't want to save it. This one, I don't want to save it. Okay. So yeah, script. I'm trying to simplify the deployment, and that part where like you need to jungle with a bunch of stuff, if I could create a script, that could be the best. And we'll create the token, configure the stuff. I think I could do that. And I think I could even configure the app setting. Maybe I need to do that. Maybe I should start working on that. I was hoping someone from the identity team could help me and do it, but apparently they are busy. I don't know, like, why someone working at Microsoft would be busy. I don't understand. Okay, so let's do adding some precisions. Boom. Let's push to dock. Okay. I think I want to merge that right away. Or let's wait until like we still have an hour to work. Let's push it though. Okay, show me this. Show me the page. Yeah, that's nice, right? For this repo, and now like it shouldn't be this, it should be this. Cool. I think it will help. I'm just trying, when you're not comfortable with GitHub and everything, I wish I could not force the people to do their own repo. They could just do a one-click deployments in like the beginning. But right now, to deploy a static web app, you absolutely need to do this. So yep. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Let's say that's nice. By page, I never noticed. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to create some, we need to create this app registration. Rush to fork. Walkie. Rush to fork. I don't understand. Like, is it something? Why rush to fork? I was just kidding. Oh, okay. And I took it like you want me walk and I ran. That's a French expression. Like when you wanna, like, you're kidding with someone or try to, you know, kind of bluff, you say we make it walk. And when people are just like following exactly what you say, like we say that, then they run. Ah. But that's not the fork, that's a contributor, right? Yeah, committed. So those are the two contributors to that page. Wally, if you want your name, I will be happy to add you. You just need to contribute. Never mind. Oh, come on. Come on, like, I'm sure you can find some typo. I'm the king of typos. I'm sure you can find a typo and suggest, hey, that's so cool. Thank you for the following. DJ Own. Thank you. Let's put that to the show notes. We'll make sure it's there. Notes. Big thank you. Welcome to the stream. We're having fun here. Playing with everything cloud. So you see the cloud up there. And like, you know what, let's play with the latest thing I created. It's this. So now it's raining. So it could be chill. It's a little bit loud though. Is it loud on your side? Could you see the water? I'm pretty happy with that change. I think it's pretty cool. The loop could be my loop could be a little bit better, right? Yeah, I could have some improvement over there. Okay, so we want to create some app registration. Oh yeah, what I completely forgot what I was saying. Oh, well, the Tiny Blazor admin website. This project is web app Blazor WebAssembly. If you're interested, Wally. So have a look. You could definitely. There's a lot of code improvement over there. When I did that kind of, Blazor was new. I was new to it, so I didn't use a lot of components. So we should move stuff in component and like restructure the code. So like if you do section like tiny pieces, so like your pull requests are not like, yeah, I rewrite your full UI. Yeah, and like even for you, like that would be cool. Let's say, okay, I'm taking the grid, make it a component or something like that. Multi-phase. Feel free to help. Like this is a project where like I wish there would be more people. Right now I have like just 5 contributors. 4. And like, you know, a few of them are Microsoft. Okay, so I need charts. Yeah. Like that, super cool. That's because I have SyncFusion. Like SyncFusion, you could use it if you want to play with that. This though, I have a license. I have a community license, so that's why. And I even asked them, so you could also use this specific project using my license without getting in trouble. Obviously, if you're reselling or like if you're using that license for something else, then you're not respecting the licensing, so you could be in trouble. But if it's just for Tiny Blazor admin, you're fine. But have a look to SyncFusion. Their charts and everything, like I'm using like the tiny basic stuff. It is very cool. I need to improve that. I'm working right now on I start playing with getting some statistics from YouTube, and I want to have some charts and stuff like that. Though I may push it to Power BI because I'm using multiple different stuff, and Power BI is stronger for that. But like this is really cool and very simple to use, honestly. Okay, so we need to go here, and now we need to try to make a script for the full section 4 and maybe 5. Yeah, I think here that's 5. And I think it's possible to do it. I'm just not sure. So, attention! Do you show how if Syncfusion has live chart functionalities? What? Live charts. I mean, like, oh, that's a good question. I don't know, Tête d'Ampoule, how like often it's refresh. Have a look. You want? You know what? Let's have a look. It's a good question. So let's do that. I should spend some time, like, they giving me stuff, so we should have a look. So let's go for. They have a lot of things. React, Angular, and stuff like that. But if you want like a kind of real-time dashboard, let's see. I know Power BI is doing that very well, but let's go with, I'm assuming, Blazor, Tête d'Ampoule, since we are .NET most of the time here. But they have other controls also. Performance, every component is fine-tuned to work with high-volume data. Ease to use, access free license, yeah, frequent of that, get a mirror improvement and bug fix. No, okay. I think since there's binding Tête d'Ampoule, you could probably be able to play with that. Yeah, because you do some bindings, right? When I'm changing stuff by code, like then you trigger the event refresh or something like that, and it just changed. They have so much stuff. But I don't know how I could test that right now. But yeah, so let me drop this here. I don't have any referrals, though. I should ask them. Okay, so I think I will do the script with Azure CLI. So Azure, let's do a quick search. Azure CLI, and then create app Azure AD, create AD app registration. Use CLI to create an Azure AD app and configure it to access Media Service API. That seems perfect. Exactly what we want to do. User app ID. Okay, let's should I create I should have moved deployment in a doc folder, but there's nothing there. But I think I will create a folder deployment and put my script over there. But then like it will be deployment. Yeah, but yeah, we should do that. So I want to click here, create a new folder. We'll call that deployment or scripts. No, deployment. think, yeah. Ugh. If I change that to be in docs, then I need to change the other one. Oh, wait. Oh no, okay, it's the yeah, it should be moved to, but I don't want to do that right now. I hate that. Let's add configuration script, or yeah, configuration script. But I will do that in a different branch, I think. So I should merge now this, right? So here, we already pushed, right? Yes. So now we'll move and merge it to main. Oh, and apparently I don't know how to. Submit. Let's go in GitHub. And no conflict. Let's merge it. Merge. Boom. So now it was 2 issue GitHub action. Okay, we'll need to check that out later. What was the other one? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So like we have a branch for that. So we could use this as a branch making stuff. Cool. So we'll bring main and automatic deployment. Excellent. Create a branch for this. There it is. Excellent. So now we want the create a new file, and we'll be haha, Mr. Copperbirdie, how are you, sir? Welcome aboard. Did you see the new clouds? Did you see that? And now look at that. I could make it rain. Oh, they are dark. Maybe I go too dark. Maybe I should less dark. Less dark. Clearer, brighter. Yeah, okay, so new file, and it will be configuration script, configuration script. That's a long name. It's like the fact that it is raining, or the fact that it is always changing. What could be the name of the script? Run me after deployment? Oh, dark and raining. Sorry about that. Whew. Ah, I need a file. I need a name for the script of configuration. I would say. I don't know what to say. I should say. Let's do after deployment config. Okay, so we need to declare a few variables here. So we need an app name. We'll need two app name, right? So I need to declare a variable. So is it? I'm always confused. So let's do front and app name. Oh, F. No, let's make it obvious. Front and app name equal I need to do bash. Oh yeah, let's do, damn it. I need to open that in a terminal. I could open it here. Yeah, but I don't want you to be selected. No, not the default. Let's close that. Oh, I cannot. I thought I could. Oh, interesting. I thought I could create a mix of terminal I want. Interesting. Is it me? Can I like to create, let's say, a WSL terminal here? Do I need to change the default one, or could I just create? I thought I could just create, like, do a plus and specify which one I want. Customize. Well, what we can do is let's close this guy. I don't need you anymore. We'll move this thing and we'll open the Cloud Shell. Boom. Now this will be the other part. Whoop. Why it's not working? Come on. There it is. Voila. And now we need to go in that folder. So city. Oh, really? City dot dot d dev document. I'm not high enough. D. I'm not high enough. Okay. One more, then D, then dev. Okay, cool. Now on a GitHub. Now on fboucher, and now I want the tiny Azure blah blah blah. There it is, and it's super tiny, so we'll make it bigger. And I don't think we'll continue to use it this way. I think we'll use it this way. So now less, cool. And now if I do this, how do you, is it dollar? Yeah, like I'm lost. And maybe it's SH. I want AZCLI because I will have the IntelliSense. How do you, damn it, I'm woo, little blank here. Frank, that's bad. I have a little, how do you call that, a brain fart? This is big. Like, why don't I see it? No, I don't want a course. I want how to variable, perfect. Yeah, so I was, oh, export. Export? No, it's just do location equal blah blah blah, and then oh, it's eco. That was bad with the dollar sign. Okay, so it's that, and then here should do this, and let's put the app name will be would be that. So now if I run it again, whoops. What I'm doing wrong? Okay. I need some echo off, I'm assuming, at the beginning. So let's do a clear. Let's do it again. Not found, not found, not found, not found, not found, not found. What's wrong? How come it? Well, congrats, Copper Birdie. I don't know why CB didn't track it, so though it did celebrate. Do I need to? This is how you do it, right? Nope. Yeah, okay. So CLI script silent. Why it's not working? I think I know. I think I know. I will need to fix that. Awesome. CB is tracking stuff, but I think I know. Let's pause 2 seconds or code. Let's see the CloudBot code. I think I know what it is. So I fix all the play sound here to specify the player name, since now we have multiple stuff and some are in loop and stuff like that. But when you land, this is catched by something else and the play come from this file, and I think I didn't change it. Oh, see here, I didn't specify, so I need to change that. So it should be something like, and then yay, should be here. Anything else? So that's the function here. And that's also when you do the attention. I don't hear the it's because of the same thing. Okay, so it will be fixed. I don't want to reset the chatbot for now, but this is a problem. Cool. Let's Cool. Okay, so now script silent. Like I don't want all the echo. Yeah, no, that's not what I want. How do you turn off the echo? What I'm missing? Ah, it's this. I need to put it that way. Okay, so now let's clear. Nope. How do you turn off the echo? Yeah, to prevent echoing, okay. To prevent echoing, command at the prompt, type echo off. To prevent all command in a batch file, including the echo off command display, first should be this. So what did I did wrong? Oh, was it because I'm in a different keyboard setting? Damn, where? There! No, I won't. Whew! Okay, I want this. Okay, we want this. We want another one for the back end. I think it should be lowercase. Yeah, front end, blah blah blah, back end, blah blah blah. Now that will be backend app 80. or shortener, maybe. Yeah. Cool. Now we need the subscription ID. And now I need the result of that in a variable. Okay, so I need this off, this off, this off. Yeah, so I need the output of one. I know how to do that in PowerShell. I know I did it. How do you pipe this stuff? Okay. So I should do something like f app ad equal to $sign of this. And then if I do echo and I do this dot, oh, it would be cool to have. So see now if I add, I wonder if that, let's add a file here. We'll call that debug. Right, and I will bring that here. No. Maybe there's an extension for that. Oh, that's for formatting, right? No, that's not what I want. Jump to declaration, find reference, scout out link, highlight concurrence, code completion. A good try. Let's have a try. Installing. I don't think he knows what's the result of that. I think it's a pure let's run it though. Okay. Oh, I forgot the $sign. Here it was $sign. Oh, that's cool though. Like it's kind of knows. And now if I do ID, no, it doesn't have a clue of what's available. Maybe it does. So can I do it here easy? Let's say group. Yeah. So why did he not recognize login? It sounds strange. Did you mean login? Oh, is it capital? No. Login? Did you mean login? Misspelled. The output include credential that you must protect. Be sure that you're not include these blah, blah, in your code or check credential for information. AZ, DSP, CLI. Oh, cool. Let's have a look to this page. Oh my god. I still don't understand why it's outputting all my empty line. Like, I mean, I could put comments everywhere, but then like and probably now the thing is this app already exists. If I go in portal, if I go in 80, and now it's small, let's zoom it. Let's go in app registration. And now if I, no? All application maybe? No? Oh yeah, what? App front end. Ah, I forgot again to put that $sign here. Well, kind of worked. Let's delete that. How can I check if I'm already logged in? You know what I will do, I think, is if I go in the portal, right, and I go, let's say, in a resource group, dev trivia. Let's say here I only have this. So now if I have export template, they have a script, and I'm on Azure CLI. Oh, I couldn't make it interactive. It's true, I could have done that. I think it would be better. Is it true? Yeah, I could ask all the stuff and then like run. Yeah, here they do it. Okay, what? Okay, well. It's a good point. I think that will be it for now though. So let's go in half and half. I need a bio break and we're getting closer to the end of this stream, so I will find someone who we can raid. Marco Bruno is Jessica Mark. Ed Charbonneau. Oh, let's do it. Like, I think it's been a while since I did raid Ed Charbonneau. This guy is a machine. Did you know we have multiple, like he's streaming, you go on other streams, you have a podcast or multiple podcasts. He's doing a bunch of stuff. Come on. Yeah, cool. Let's do that. So let's go raid Mr. Charbonneau. We'll continue to do some Blazor for you, and for me it will be bio break time. And I will see you Friday for a new stream. I still don't know if Jason will be here. Still don't know which will be working. Worst case, we'll continue and build our script to ease our deployment. So have a good week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye-bye. And raid. And it's going.